Welcome to Albion Bathrooms and Kitchens, Burton On Trent's largest and longest established bathroom and kitchen showroom. Founded on more than 30 years of specialist experience, we're often recommended due to our unbeatable combination of honest advice, quality products, and all-round customer service excellence. We have the widest choice in the area of quality bathrooms and kitchens, and with our dedicated team of designers and skilled professional installers, we have the resources to make your bespoke bathroom or kitchen vision a reality. Our modern showroom is conveniently located out of town on the Albion Gateway Business Park, with plentiful free parking and easy access. So why not call in today for a wander round the showroom and to arrange a free no obligation home consultation. With long guarantees on most items, as well as supreme aftercare, find out for yourself why we have so many great testimonials from satisfied customers. Thank you for watching. For more information, please call us on 01283 526 555 or visit our website at albionbke.co.uk.